Hey guys, welcome back. Just another day in paradise. We got snow blowing in the barn. It's currently a blizzard. It's close to zero. Supposed to be colder tomorrow, below zero, about 15. We've got some pretty good wind. I'm gonna flip this around here. So we're currently 50-mile-an-hour winds with snow and frigid temperatures. So we got drifts like crazy, and we're out here trying to get the livestock taken care of. I think we're gonna have to scoop that snow out of there so we can put some water in. And the horses look okay. They're down there. Well, they're eating, so they're not totally discomforted. Well, brr. Of course, school is closed again today. Only had Monday and yesterday for school. Oh, shit. Yep. Just another lovely day. I really don't mind the snow. Have to wait until the maintainer comes through so we can run in and check the cows. Oh, shit.
Gotta fix that window.
Okay. Whew. Can you see them snow drifts? Shit, can I even get in the shop? Oh. Man, these are 2-foot drifts here. They're up over my muck boots. Oh my, that was really deep. Yeehaw! Oh shit! Yep, it's over my muck boots. Okay. Well, there's the truck we're working on. Long story short, here's my engine right there. It's basically ready to drop in, but we were trying to fit the flywheel up on yesterday. Found out the crank is 0.1 bigger than the hole that has in the flywheel. So we've got to machine out the flywheel a little bit so we can put this flywheel up on there, because the guy really doesn't want to put 2 clutches in it. He really doesn't want to put 1 clutch in it. The old one's still decent shape. The old one's still decent shape, but it doesn't bolt up. So I talked all over several different places yesterday. They don't make a conversion clutch, I don't think, anyway. I haven't found one for putting a newer engine on an older transmission. They make kits to put a newer 5-speed on this engine, but not the reverse. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So we're gonna machine that guy and get it to fit that way. This guy, the customer, is a older gentleman, and I don't think he's ever gonna have a clutch problem that'll be needing a new flywheel. If he does need a new clutch, we can just get one for the old gray truck, and you know, pressure plate and disc, throw out bearing, that kind of stuff. I don't think he's ever gonna need to replace the flywheel. So at least that way he can you know, just use the original stuff. And if he does ever have to get a new flywheel, but I don't think he's gonna live to be that old, he'll have to have it machined as well. So I gotta go recock a window. So yeah, that's the story with that. I'm sure glad I got it pushed in here before all this snow happened, because I don't need all that shit melting in here. It had a little bit on it, but not much. Okay, now, yeehaw. So I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a day and go back in. Gonna go back in and snuggle up with the wife. Keep warm. Animals are all good. Got the window recocked. For some reason it doesn't have anything securing it into the door. so we'll have to fix that someday. But anyway,
Have a nice blizzard.
yeah, this is a kind of a neat blizzard. We haven't had one up here for, I mean, we've had snow, but haven't had blizzards for a long time. Yeah. Alrighty. Here's what the snow drifts look like in front of the machine shed. Can't get the walk-through door open. That one's got 2 foot of snow in front of it. I can just barely move it, but obviously it's pushing against the snow. And wouldn't you know it, today the skid loader battery is dead. So I don't really want to start that up. Might have to. But yeah, I'm pretty sick and tired of that stupid skid loader battery going dead. Might be time just to replace that old booger. It's not that old either, it's only 2 years old. Well, anyway, drifts are pretty deep, and it's about 0 outside with a feels like wind chill of -15. So that's handy. Well, shit, I gotta go find a shovel so I can scoop this shit out. Alrighty. Man, freaking snow drifts throughout my driveway. Oh, anyway, I got a shovel over here by the barn so I can scoop out the barn door. Whew. Walking along the machine shed and look at, there's evidently enough air coming up through the drain line to melt the snow at the downspout. That's kind of cool. There we go. That should be enough. I made a 2 foot trench here along the door. Now let's see if we can get the door open. Hey! Oh, she's still pretty stuck. Oh, there we go. Well, we're halfway there. Uh-oh. Bottomed out. Remind me where I put that. Hey! Hey! So, must be riding on some snow down there or something. There she went all the way. Now, since we don't have any power in this building yet, I'm gonna have to hike that battery all the way back up there to the shop, or I can try to get that thing running. I mean, it runs, there's no problem there. It's just, it's cold, and it's not plugged in. Of course, no power, and also these backhoes don't have grid heaters, so it can be a pain in the cold. Well, I guess maybe it's not going to start either. Nice. Well, shit. Means it's going to have to have its battery brought up and charged, or it's going to be frozen and ruined. What a pain. Well, I guess I could maybe. I really don't want to jump start off this pickup, because it doesn't have anti-gel in it. It probably won't even start either. Well, I mean, it would start, but it wouldn't run very long because it's probably going to be gelled up for too shortly overrunning. I know that one will start. It's got anti-gel in it. But anyway, I suppose we could pull the Suburban over there, jump off of it. Probably what I should have done with the skid loader, jumped it off the Suburban. Hey, babe. Nothing's gonna start. Battery's dead in the skid loader, and the backhoe didn't crank fast enough to pop off.
I ain't fucking shoveling anymore.
I know, I got about too many layers on.
I know.
I don't normally wear coveralls, but with the wind out here, it's nasty. I think I'll...
We used to put the backhoe in the shop.
Well, we ain't got room for that in there now. I think we'll put the battery back in the skid loader and we'll jump it off of the Suburban.
Hey, that might work.
I don't know why I didn't think of that before I pulled the battery.
I don't know.
Finally just got it. These goddamn jumper cables are a fucking joke. Forever and forever they wouldn't fucking charge, and I just kept wiggling the connector a little bit. Works better to charge down there than it does off these fucking hodgepodge deal fucking battery connectors. Shit, we'll leave that charged for a little bit, then we'll come over here and charge this backhoe up. Well, that battery in that fucker is pretty old. It's probably, I don't know, I got it from the neighbor up here that runs dump trucks probably 4 years ago, and he took it out of his dump truck then because it was getting old. That sticker there, 2018. Yeah, so it's 6 years old, I guess. It's not that bad, but we don't use the backhoe all that much, so that would explain why it's lasting a little bit longer for me. Now, where the hell did I put my gloves? Here's my coat. Guess I'll put my coat back on. Got some cobwebs out of the barn on it. God dang it. Put my coat back on. Where the hell did I put my dang gloves? Ah, shit. I don't remember where I put them. Oh, we got the drive pushed out. And now we're in here pushing snow out of the way so that we can feed the cows. We can't even get to the bales. That snow drifts in here 4 foot deep in spots. So, what a pain in the ass. Broke through the gate here where the snow drifts are, then we can sneak around some of the snow drifts and go over there to the bales. My land. Get rid of some of these stupid trees in here, then we wouldn't have some of the snow drifts. There we go. Now the cows are happy. And I even took and made a windbreak for the calves out of some bales. They were just sitting up there hovering around the walled off water. They were right in the wind, so this ought to help them quite a bit. Nice little makeshift windbreak. Okay, now we're gonna go put the tractor away, I think. Whew. I think we got some shit on the camera. There we go. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Remember what I'm telling you guys, hit that share and don't forget to give me a good thumbs up. It helps get stuff pushed on so everybody can find my videos, or new people can check us out. Enjoy a little bit of the organic farm life. Now, obviously this is more than organic, but it's all part of it, guys. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.